Mid-May witnessed the launch of the 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander and Xpander Cross models by Mitsubishi Indonesia, one of the key assembly hubs for these popular MPVs in Southeast Asia. This refreshed lineup serves as a crucial step for Mitsubishi to maintain the competitiveness of these best-selling vehicles, ahead of the next generation planned for release in the coming years. The update brings subtle but impactful changes in styling, technology, and safety features, making the Xpander series even more attractive to families and urban drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, both the standard Xpander and the rugged Xpander Cross have been redesigned to set them apart from their predecessors. The base Xpander features a simplified front grille, now showcasing vertical slats for the lower air intake, lending a cleaner and more modern look. The fog lights have been upgraded to LED units, while the main headlights and daytime running lights carry over from the previous generation. New 17-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication, complementing the sleeker front fascia. At the rear, subtle refinements to the bumper give the vehicle a refreshed yet familiar stance. Stepping inside, the interior of the Xpander retains much of its previous layout, but receives a welcome upgrade in technology. The central infotainment screen grows to a generous 10 inches, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, catering to the ever-growing demand for smartphone connectivity. Additionally, the traditional instrument cluster has been replaced by an 8-inch TFT display, akin to the one found in the Mitsubishi X-Force, offering a more modern and customizable driving experience. When it comes to safety and convenience, the 2025 Xpander builds upon its established foundation. Key systems remain intact, ensuring continued reliability and ease of use. Notably, the number of airbags has increased from the previous count to 6, providing better occupant protection. The vehicle also gains a front-facing camera as part of its 360-degree camera system, enhancing driver awareness and parking confidence. Another significant addition is the electronic brake force distribution that improves vehicle stability during cornering by optimally adjusting brake pressure on the front wheels. On the more aggressive side, the Xpander Cross 2025 leans into a bolder and more muscular design language. Its front grille adopts the signature styling cues of its sibling, the X-Force, with a larger, more imposing presence. The dark-tinted headlights and fully LED lighting system enhance the vehicle's assertive look. The front bumper now features pronounced muscular contours, while dual-tone 17-inch alloy wheels add sportiness. Rear bumper updates align with the refreshed front-end design, ensuring cohesive aesthetics throughout. Inside the Xpander Cross, the black and red interior theme remains, preserving its youthful and sporty appeal. The technology upgrades seen in the base Xpander carry over here as well, including the larger touchscreen and digital instrument cluster. Moreover, the Cross version steps up the comfort and luxury factor by offering synthetic leather upholstery, whereas the standard Xpander is fitted with fabric seats in the Indonesian market. Under the hood, both variants stick with the reliable 1.5-litre inline-4 engine, delivering a maximum output of 105 horsepower and a peak torque of 141 Newton-meters. This powertrain balances fuel efficiency and sufficient performance for daily driving, especially suited to urban and suburban environments. Transmission options continue to include a continuously variable transmission, CVT for smooth automatic shifting, or a 5-speed manual for those who prefer more control. Front-wheel drive remains the sole drivetrain layout, aligning with the segment's expectations. Pricing announced by Mitsubishi Indonesia places the 2025 Xpander starting at around 270.1 million Indonesian rupiah, approximately 424.6 million Vietnamese dong. The Xpander Cross commands a higher price point, beginning at 338 million IDR, roughly 531.4 million VND. These figures position both models competitively in the budget MPV category, offering excellent value for the feature set and the strong brand reputation. What makes the Mitsubishi Xpander 2025 particularly appealing to Vietnamese consumers is the blend of modern upgrades with affordability. The vehicle's size and flexible seating arrangements have long made it a favorite for families needing practical transport without sacrificing style. With the refreshed exterior and interior enhancements, buyers now get a vehicle that feels contemporary and thoughtful in its design and technology. Moreover, the increase in safety features, such as the additional airbags and the 360-degree camera, reflects growing consumer awareness and demand for better occupant protection and convenience aids. In Vietnam's busy city streets and mixed traffic conditions, these features will likely be welcomed by drivers seeking peace of mind. The subtle tweaks to the exterior and the more daring design of the Cross version also give customers choices based on their personality and lifestyle, from the understated elegance of the base model to the sportier, more rugged look of the Cross. This flexibility caters to a wider demographic, from young professionals to established families. In terms of driving dynamics, the retention of the proven 1.5-litre engine and the availability of both CVT and manual transmissions mean the Xpander remains versatile and easy to handle, whether navigating congested urban roads or venturing on weekend trips. The focus on fuel economy ensures that operational costs stay manageable, a key consideration for many buyers. Looking ahead, Mitsubishi's strategy of gradual updates ahead of the next-generation launch allows the brand to stay relevant in a highly competitive segment. By refreshing the Xpander line with meaningful upgrades rather than a complete overhaul, they maintain momentum and customer interest, especially important in markets like Indonesia and Vietnam, where brand loyalty and local assembly contribute significantly to sales success. The introduction of these upgraded models also signals Mitsubishi's continued commitment to the affordable MPV segment, a category that remains vital in many Southeast Asian countries due to growing families and expanding urbanization. Providing vehicles that balance practicality, comfort, style, and safety at accessible prices will keep Mitsubishi a strong contender. Should the Xpander 2025 and Xpander Cross 2025 make their way officially to the Vietnamese market soon, they are poised to shake up the MPV scene further. Competitive pricing combined with new technology and design upgrades could draw buyers away from existing popular models such as the Yamaha Janus or Honda Vision, especially those looking for more space and advanced features. Overall, Mitsubishi's 2025 Xpander refresh breathes new life into a proven formula. Its combination of design finesse, enhanced safety, and smart technology updates make it a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable and stylish multi-purpose vehicle. With strong market positioning and brand recognition, the Xpander line is set to remain a staple on roads across Southeast Asia in the coming years.